To be real honest, I was shopping for steak knives and I stumbled across the Ninja NeverDull Premium knife set. And let me tell you, I'm really glad I did. I was only looking for steak knives, but my knives all really could be replaced because they're old and they're not really the greatest. But let me show you this here. I have the 12-piece system. That is the suction cups that helps keep this on your counter. But let me go over everything that's in the set for you. So you have got your 6 steak knives. Very sharp, work wonderfully. Then you have the Ninja scissor. Let me show you this. I love how this comes apart for cleaning. Just like that. Then you also have, let me just turn this here for you. You have your large chef knife. Sanuku, I think that's what this knife is called. It's a blade style. And then you have a cutting and paring knife. 2 of those. And then the 12th piece is the actual sharpening system. So with the sharpening system, it's pretty easy to use. Let me kind of slide this over here. You're going to go ahead. You're going to stick your knife in here. Okay. Once you put it in, then it's locked into place. So you can't take it out. There's a lever right back here. You just press that lever and hold it to take it out. But to sharpen it, let me see here. You're going to start with this part down, okay? And then you just move this back and forth, back and forth. There's directions here that also walk you through it. And then you take it out, give it a good rinse, and it's ready to go. But I really want to point out the one thing that really sold me on these knives, and really knives in general, is I like when it is solid with the blade going all the way through the handle. I've had other knives where the blade is like broke off because it's just cheap and garbage. So this is really a sign of quality to me, is when this blade goes all the way through to the handle. Been using them for a couple weeks, but let's cut an onion. I'll show you how they work. I will just give you a quick look here of the cutting. Let me get a good angle here for you. And these work great. Let me need a little bit of onion with my dinner tonight. So whether you're doing like really thin little strips, you can see how thin that is, or really thick chunks. This whole knife system really does work great. I mean, I couldn't recommend it more. I really loved it. Had it for a few weeks now, and top notch. Absolutely love.